Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to organize your StraboMicro project using groups and tags. Let's start with groups. On the left here we can click into the Groups tab and we can create a new group. Inside of these groups you can place your micrographs, and the types of groups you create depend on your workflow and how you like to organize your data. As an example here, I'll create a group that just has EBSD images in it. So I'll create a group called EBSD, and then we can select which micrographs go into there. So I'll pick these three, press next, and now we have our group. You can collapse the list there, and we can add another group. Let's go a group for melt microstructures. So I can put all of my micrographs or samples with the melt microstructures in there. So I'll select a couple there. Say all of these have melt microstructures. I press next. And now we have two groups, the EBSD group and the melt microstructure group. And we can click through these to look at these micrographs. For tags, we can tag our spots. So if I press new tag here, we can define our tag. As an example, let's do the same thing. Tags, spots associated with the melt microstructures. And here you can customize what the spot with that tag looks like. So let's go just white line color, for example, and purple there. And we can put in some notes about the tag. We can also change the size of the tag. But let's save that out. So now we have this new tag here called melt microstructures. We can edit what the tag color is, and we can add some spots. So I just clicked the add spots button on the left. Here's a list of all of my spots. And I can pick some of these spots and assign them the tag. So I'll press save. And now we have three spots tagged within our melt microstructures. I'll press the back button here in blue. And there's the tag. We can also define another tag. So in this case, I'll call one CPX solution. Right, we can change the color and the size, make this one smaller. Put in some notes, save that out, and we can add spots the same way. So let's go all of our CPX solution spots here. I think that's all we've got. Press save. Those are the two spots there. If you click one of them, it will navigate to where that is in your project. You can have a look at it. I'll go back to the samples tab. I'll go in there. That's the spot. When you hover over, you can see that it's tagged with CPX solution. And here on the right under tags, that will show up as well. And you can also create a new tag from this menu. You can assign a spot to multiple tags. So I press save there. Hover over now, I see both those tags. So groups and tags are a way for you to organize your micrographs and your spots in the way that you would like to work. And that's how it's done. Thanks.